This video is all about how to write a program. How to write a program with Python to be able to draw this kind of shape, this rectangular shape. Now, using a for loop to print out this kind of box. Now, and the program will ask the user to specify how wide and how high the box should be. So now let's go to the coding environment. Now this is environment. This is part one of this series. So this one we're doing now is part two. We have done this code you're seeing now is part one. While we want to do the part two, the part one, this is what comes out. This is what comes out for the part one. Like if I run this again, you see, let's say I use the width is 4, the length, let me say 22. So it comes out like this. It draws the rectangle like this. But now we want the rectangle to appear in this form. So now that is what we want to do. Now let's begin. So but for us to do that, I will now first use for, now this for here will be, this one will be, I will change this to length. Length, so you didn't spell it well. To length. Now okay, this should be capital letter length. So now here the printer should be, this should not be multiplication, I should just say comma. Then I will use what we call the end. I will use the end function called to put the quotation mark comma in between. Okay, no, there shouldn't be any comma. Well, let me remove it. It should just be space. Shouldn't be any space safe. So now this is the way to be. Then I needed to reduce this by one, so that here I will come down here and print the one that will complete it. And print the one that will complete it. And just print one. Print one. So we'll just print one that will complete this other one. So now I now needed to do another for loop. We'll copy this. Now come here, paste. Paste. Okay, the 4 is not copy. Add F now. So bring this back. No. No, just need to put it in here. So we are good to go. So now here I'll remove this. Well, I'll just add this. I'll add another quotation mark, quotation sign with multiplication. Then I will now add a space in between them. this separation, sorry, this is not I will not use this separation function is equal to quotation mark, then there should be a space, so one space. So I will now multiply this by the length, press the tab key by the length. So the length minus 2, because minus 2, because when you check now, let me go to the next page. Let's say, for instance, you have here star, 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 star. Now you want the star to be here, and there should be a space here. So the space here should be this number of space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and the whole of this is 7. So you need to subtract this and this, which is at this position. So you say 7 minus what? 2. So 2 is a constant. So now, no matter the number, you minus 2 from it. So that is what I just did there. That is what I just did here. Then this one minus 1, I want to break this end function. So that is why I added minus 1. Then I completed that one here, so that this one will not continue with this end function, that end attribute. So what I will do next is, I haven't done this, but this one I needed to do the number of times this will be run should be, this should be the width. This should be the width function minus 2. So let me just explain this again. Let me explain it. Now you have here, you have x, x, now you have x, 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 and x. Now you have 4 rows here. Now, for you to know the number of this to be created, now this row and this row is off, which is minus 2. So if you want 4 rows, so it should be 4 minus 2. So the 2 is a constant. So that is how we got that expression there. That is how we got this expression, the width, the wide minus 2. So that is the number of times this will roll off. So then, so this will roll off. Then this one will also come again. This number of this will also come here again. I just paste. So that is it. So now this should be how we're going to create that particular. Let's try it. Let me try to see what it will give me. Now this space, number of space times the width, so it will just space out. Now let's see. Let's run. You have the width. Let's say let me say I say the width should be 5 and the length should be, let me say 20. So okay, there's an issue. Type error. Where is -1? Is there any place I use -1? Okay, there should be a bracket here. A bracket here, sorry. There should be a bracket there. There should be a bracket there. Okay, that is where the mistake is coming from. There should be a bracket there. So let's see 5, 20. So it comes out well, but this one is not completed. Okay, I needed to remove this one here, so it will work now. Let me run it again. So you have 5, you have 20. So it comes out well. Look at it, it's okay now. So that is it. Okay, here I didn't introduce this bracket in here, so that was why we have that error. So that is it. So this is the end of this lecture. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Thank you.